So today I'm going to give you guys a little hair tutorial video because today is going to be, well, Thursday is going to be my last day having my hair out because I'm going to get my hair done for my birthday. So I'm like, you know what, let me go ahead and do my signature look, which is going to be right here. I like having the little two parts down and the little bun up. So I'm like, let me see how it would look if I have two buns and a little scrape down the middle. So today that's what I'm going to be doing. Make sure you guys like, comment if you guys are new to my channel. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button because my subscribers are growing. I'm growing and we're gonna be lit together, period. Let's go ahead and hop to this video. Yeah, so I have already parted my hair off camera. So what I'm gonna do, and I'm just gonna go ahead and comb it. So this is gonna be one ponytail, and I'll put this over here. And this one is going to be the other ponytail. And I'm gonna go ahead, I'm just gonna have my little braid piece right here. So it could be perfect. See? There you go. Y'all, this eyelash is like getting on my nerves because it don't want to stay. Okay, there it is. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna comb out my hair. Y'all gonna see me looking up like this because it's like my camera, there's my mirror. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead, comb out my hair. So it's all combed out, and then I like to have that little piece, that little edge piece. Yeah. Let me go ahead and plait this part down so it would not get mixed up with the rest of my hair that I'm gonna slick in this little ponytail. So, trying to make sure. Okay. So I got like this little piece. So the rest will go ahead and go up in this ponytail. So what I'm going to do is get my little spray bottle. I bet y'all that's like old glue. So don't think it's nothing nasty. Let me move this. And I'm going to spray my hair. So it could be very, very better. Like moist when I put the Eco Styling Gel on there. If that makes sense. Y'all get it? Got it? Good. Okay. Now look at my baby hair. It's like I'm going to look like a little girl. Should I do buns or ponytails? So to begin my Eco Styling Gel, I used the red top. Y'all, I really like the red top. I tried to use, I think it was like green or something, but baby, that was not working for this head. I'm sorry. Like, that doesn't work for me. So, I stuck to the red ever since. I actually ended up buying like a gold one, and the gold one works really good. It does not flake. Eco Styling need to go ahead and sponsor me at this point because, honey, I'll be putting people on. Okay. So, dang. Ooh, y'all see how slick that is? Come on now, don't play with the Eco Styling Gel. Like, please don't play with it. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, give me a little scrunchy. We're gonna go ahead. Oh my God, no. Okay. I hope my scrunchie actually be tight enough, cause y'all, it don't be tight enough for real. Look at this, like, please Don't tell me it don't work for y'all. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave this bun like this until I really decide on how I want it. If I want it to be like in these little buns, or if I want it to be, how can I say it, in ponytails. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show y'all a little tricky trick. I think I showed y'all this trick before though. Trick, mascara brush for the edge, okay? And so go ahead. You see my little mascara brush? You're going to go ahead and put my little edges out, child. Let's go ahead. Let's whip out these edges. See? Look at that. Look at that. Come on now. Come on. Get into it, please. Okay. Other side. Oh, it's not. Wait, hold on. Other side. Swoop. Swoop. So I got 2 little swoops in this. Let's go ahead. Let's go to the other side. We're gonna worry. Y'all see it? Y'all see the process, right? Okay. So then I'm gonna go ahead and take out this side. Ouch. Like y'all see the process, right? Y'all see it? Okay, y'all got it? Okay, good. Like this is so simple. This is the most simplest hairstyle. And this hairstyle is a little, how can I say it? Like this hairstyle is a little quick little go-do hairstyle. Like, come on now, don't play with it. Don't play. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this little piece right here. We're just gonna wrap it like this. You see, so it won't get in the way. Let's go ahead. Let's comb out this side. Start from the roots. Start from the ends and work your way up. Okay. Oof. Y'all, something about this comb is just so lovely. Okay. So now, remember, take the little piece out because you do want that little, I don't know what to call this. Like, is it like a sideburn piece? I don't know. Why is my neighbors being so loud? Y'all hear that? I don't know if y'all can hear it, but they're being so loud. Okay. Little piece. Okay. Yeah, and it's crazy because this side is nothing like this side. It doesn't matter how I try to get this little sideburn piece, it don't never get like that. So, like I say, spray bottle. Let's go ahead and spray our edges because we need the Eco Styling Gel to be, you know, work with it. Okay, my hair messing up. Okay. Now, y'all, I don't know if it's just me, but when I tend to do these little buns or ponytails, my ponytails never be lined up the same. They always be like lined up different. Like one to be higher than the other one will be crooked, the other one be good. Like I be having to struggle, but it's okay. Cause like I say, this gonna be the last day of me wearing my hair, so we good. We ain't got nothing to stress about for real. Okay, get our little brush. Oh, that scared me for a moment, y'all. I swear I thought I had done combed my braid. Ouch. And my neck really hurts like this. Okay. Scrunchy, remember that. Little piece, okay, yes. A little piece is still there. Okay. Let's go ahead. Keep on wrapping. Oh shit. Keep on wrapping. One last wrap. Oh, y'all see, this is what I'm talking about. It's like a ponytail. I think I wrapped it too tight. Okay. Okay. Okay, yeah. It looks the same. It looks the same to y'all. Yes, no. I think it does. Yeah, it looks the same to me. Mascara brush. We're gonna lay our edges down, girls. Like how I say, mascara brush. Edge brushes they work, but you know, they don't work like these. We're gonna go ahead, stick our little hairs out. And we're gonna swoop. This one swoop. This one. Actually, this side came out pretty better. So now I got two little girl ponytails. So now this is gonna be the fun part. This is gonna be the fun part. We're gonna still leave our little sideburn pieces out. Now we can take out this part. Okay, so let's take it out. Oh, this is so cute. I like this already. So we have our little piece, and what we're gonna do is separate it. So it's gonna be like this. Makes sense? Makes sense. So my fan is blowing. Let me go cut that off, and let me go plug in my flat iron. But before I do that, let me go ahead and braid this part up so we will not get it mixed up on the other side of our hair, because we need to make sure that it lays down. So this part we're gonna wrap it around, and this part we still got, you know, good. So it's gonna go like this. Get it? Got it. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna plug up my flat iron, and I'm gonna be right back so we can start our little piece. So now I have my flat iron, and what I'm gonna do is straighten it. Okay, then how you lay it down is you get the flat iron and just lay it down like that. And kind of like, so that's one side. Go ahead and take out this one. Same thing goes for the other side. Out, down, y'all see it? Y'all see it, right? Okay. Okay, make sure this side is laid. So now we got the two. Got the two little end pieces. Y'all could have them like this, or y'all could have them like this. But I want mine to be on the side because, for the simple fact, I have my lashes. So I'm just gonna hold it together and just put it around on this side. Okay. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Okay, good. So then, last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and do a little sideburn part. So I'm trying my best to see out this mirror. Okay. So this is where it comes down to you. So you can have it. Like, let me straighten it. Let me get the little thing to straighten it. Okay. So you can have it to where it's straight, or you can have it to where it like comes out and then swoop like this. But I think for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna have it like hang it down like this. So you're gonna go ahead, we're gonna take the other one. So that's one side. And here go the other side. Let me do it again. And that's it. That's it. Yeah, I really was going to lay it down, but I don't want to. And then I'm going to go to bed, so I don't really even know why I sat up here and even did all of this. Probably because I'm not going to want to do it in the morning. So then I'm going to go ahead and wrap it. Because we need this part to lay down. I'm gonna wrap it. And I'm gonna let it sit for a good 5 minutes, and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna wrap this up. Okay, guys, so this pretty much wraps up the video. This is how it looks. So my hair is actually like laid down because I had on my little hair scarf. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like, comment. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys go ahead and hit the subscribe button because I'm growing, my channel's growing. We're all gonna grow together, like how I said before. Also, make sure you guys let me know what y'all want to see next, y'all. I'm very versatile when it comes down to this YouTube stuff because I don't want my stuff to just be about pranks. I don't want my stuff to just be about hair. I want to put everything on my channel, so you guys let me know what you guys want to see next. And like I say, I'm going. Peace, y'all.